Hey everybody, this is James Deere here from the Embroidery Legacy, and if you've ever seen any of the videos in our embroidery art playlist on our YouTube channel, you'll know that combining painting and embroidery is an awesome way to have more fun with your embroidery, as well as a great way to try a new technique. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make your own fabric paint at home using materials from the dollar store. So it's going to be incredibly affordable. Let's jump right in. So here is what's needed to create the paint. You'll need shaving cream, the foam kind, not the gel kind, white glue, acrylic paint in the color or colors of your choice, an iron, a mixing container, and a spoon or stick. Now I got all of these materials from the dollar store for under $5, so if you don't already have any of these laying around, be sure to check there. Now I'm going to add 2 parts shaving cream into my mixing container, simply using the cap of the shaving cream bottle for my measurement. Now while still using the shaving cream cap, I'm going to add 1 part white glue into my mixing container. Then we're going to take our acrylic paint and add 1 part or just under 1 part. In this example I'm using a teaspoon, and we're going to mix it in with the shaving cream and glue. Now we're going to want to give it a good stir until we get a nice consistency and a nice solid color. Now I'm going to be painting onto this white piece of flannel, so I'm just going to take my brush and dip it into the paint we just created and simply begin painting onto your fabric. Now I just want to mention you're going to want to let this dry for anywhere from 6 to 12 hours. You can test to see if it's dry by just dabbing it with your finger. So our paint has now dried for about 12 hours. I'm simply going to take my iron and heat press it into my fabric. Now you can choose the heat setting you'd like based on the material that you used. Now my paint is successfully heat pressed into my fabric. Now this is completely machine washable, so I've turned on hot water on a sink just to give you guys an example. As you can see, there is no fabric paint running. I've even added some soap. I'm just going to rub it in and give it a nice little rinse. And as you can see, there's absolutely no blue paint running off of the flannel. And I'll take a look inside of the sink just to show you no dye has come out. You now know how to create your own fabric paints at home. Now I just wanted to let you know that this isn't going to be as high quality as the fabric paints you'll find in store or the ones that you can order online. However, this will do the trick if you just want to give this technique a try. Thank you so much for watching, and leave the word yes in the comments below if you're going to give this technique a try yourself. See you next time.
Hi, John Deere here, and thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like down below. To join the Legacy now, hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell to be notified every time we release a new video. It's no mystery, award-winning embroidery is our history.